Hi guys, my name is Upalina Gupta and in today's video, I'm going to share a few tips for you to look good in photos. So sit back, follow along and get your glam on.
Always use an illuminating primer for that extra glow. Medium to buildable is best since cakey foundation doesn't look good in photos. Make sure it matches your skin tone to avoid any grey flashbacks. Use two concealers, one that matches and a lighter one for a highlighted effect. Banana powder works the best as it's tinted, and remember to use it in places that are likely to crease. Contouring is super important for the gorgeous sculpted look. This is another great way to get that lifted, youthful look. If you have textured skin, avoid those areas. This will give your eyes an instant lift. Apply the same on the lower lash line. Lighter shadows bounce light, making your eyes appear brighter. Remember, always curl your lashes before applying mascara for that extra oomph. Complete the look by applying a lip shade that goes with your outfit. And now, ready, set, click.
That was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about these tips in the comment section below. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MyGlamm for more fun makeup tutorials.